Okay, so the very first thing we're going to do as we're annotating our poem is to number the lines. So you all are going to, of course, pause this right now and number the lines. Okay, so we're back. So, of course, there are 14 lines. And there are 14 lines because this is a sonnet. And sonnets have 14 lines. Okay, the very next thing you're going to do is notice, mark down. We're going to mark down the rhyme scheme. So let's just talk about it super quickly. Lines 2 and 4, temperate and date in this instance rhyme. So you are going to hit pause and come back. Okay, you are back, and you will note that the rhyme scheme looks something like this. It is A, B, A, B, C, D, C, D, E, F, E, F, G, G. Reason it is that is because this is a Shakespearean sonnet. And not only is it a Shakespearean sonnet, it is written by William Shakespeare. So it's not just in the style of Shakespeare. It is him. It is his most famous sonnet. Okay. I will leave rulers out for the sub. You guys are going to have to share though. So I'm thinking the sub can give 1 or 2 rulers per table group, and you all can share. I want you to draw a line to designate each quatrain. What is a quatrain, Miss Robinson? Well, you tell me. You look at your notes. But there are hints right there in the word qua. Okay, so you've done that, and we are going to label each of these quatrains. And then, of course, these 2 lines are a couplet. So, just like a Shakespearean sonnet, it has 3 quatrains, 1 couplet. It's A, B, A, B, C, D, C, D, E, F, E, F, G, G has 14 lines. We're not done with our annotation quite yet. It's also written in iambic pentameter. I see that the camera is lagging. Hopefully my voice isn't lagging too, because boy, is that aggravating. All right, an iamb, and it's an iamb. All right, so this is 2 syllables, where the first is unstressed and the second is stressed. When we have iambic pentameter, which would be so cool if we said pentameter, we're talking 10 syllables. 10 syllables. So it's 5 groups. So that penta, remember, like pentagon, it's 5. 5 groups of 2 syllables each. So we get 10 syllables total. I'm running out of room, but it is what it is. Where you have an unstressed syllable followed by a stressed syllable. So you'll have 10 total, unstressed, stressed. Okay? So we are going to practice that. The camera is lagging. We are going to practice that. So turn your paper over and you are going to write the sentence, we hold these truths to be self-evident. So, of course, I've already done that. And I wish that I would have done it on a paper that did not, with a pen that did not bleed through. But, you know, I can't think of everything, people. Okay, so you all should recognize this line from civics. Do you or no? Where is this line located? What document? What document of the United States of America, although the United States of America didn't exist right then, contains this line? We hold these truths to be self-evident. Okay, so it's the Declaration of Independence, and we are going to draw a line after, no, we're not going to do that. Never mind. We'll do that in a minute. Okay, let's take a look at this. We hold. So this is written in iambic pentameter. Of course, the camera is lagging. It's a little scary. So we is unstressed. We talked about this, right? You can't put bass in your voice and say we. Although some of you have tried, no, you sound like you're just having a really good time. Woo, okay? Because it's an unstressed syllable. Hold is stressed. So we hold these. It is unstressed. Do you hear how high my voice is when I say that? Truths, boom, stress. To, unstressed. Be, stressed. Now, here's what's so interesting. We is unstressed. Be is stressed. So it's not that it ends in a vowel. That's not what makes it stressed or unstressed. Okay, just wanted to point that out. Self, unstressed. Ev, stressed. Unstressed. Dent, stressed. The camera is lagging once again. Okay, we hold these truths self-evident. We hold these truths to be self-evident. 10 syllables, unstressed, stressed. So let's take a look at Sonnet 18. All right, Big Willie with Sonnet 18. Smooth, kicking this game. Not only is he kicking game that is epic and timeless, he's kicking game to the sound of a heartbeat. So not only is he telling this girl how fly she is, but he's basically saying, you are my heart. You are my heart. You are what makes my heart beat. That is some game. All right, let's see. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? All right. So let's take a look at the stressed and unstressed. In fact, you do it with your group. I want you to do the first quatrain. So first 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. First quatrain. Whoops. I want you to practice doing stressed and unstressed. Here's a hint. All Shakespearean, okay, I won't say all. Shakespearean sonnets as a whole are written in iambic pentameter. It means that there's an unstressed syllable first and then a stressed syllable. It goes on for 10 syllables. With your group, I want you to pause the video. And actually, you don't have to pause it at all because I'm about to end the video. For the first 4 lines, I want you to mark the iambic pentameter the same way we did on the back with a U and a stress, with a U for unstressed and a stress for stressed. We'll do the first line together. Shall I compare thee to a some. We'll split summer here. Summers. Some. Okay. Summer's day. All right. I want you to do the next 3 lines with your group.